If you could create the perfect business for yourself, what would it be? What would it look like? What if you could work from anywhere with an internet connection with a flexible schedule allowing you to see the world? What if you could become your own boss and take the reins of your own success? At Avoya, if you can dream it, you can do it. With today's travel numbers soaring higher than ever anticipated, now is the perfect time to get into the travel industry and make your business dreams reality. No matter your experience level, Avoya Travel's marketing, technology, support, and industry experience offers everything you need to create your dream business. We want to give you the flexibility to be able to work from anywhere while doing what you love. Join a community of dreamers eager to lead in the future of travel. If you yearn for adventure and dream of travel like us, you're in the right place. We're all dreamers. Let's make dreams reality together. Learn more at avoyanetwork.com.